Welcome to Bike Shift, where technology, performance, and future military aviation come together. Today, we explore one of the most anticipated fighter jet projects in modern defense history, the 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41. A successor to the legendary MiG-31, this aircraft is rumored to redefine air combat with unprecedented speed, stealth, and striking capability. For the next 3 minutes, we unfold everything that makes the MiG-41 a giant leap into sixth-generation warfare. The MiG-41 is not just another jet, it represents a strategic transition into ultra-high-speed interception. Built for long-range, high-altitude missions, it aims to secure air dominance in environments where conventional fighters struggle to operate. Its reported design focuses on stealth geometry, reduced radar signature, and advanced thermal management to stay invisible even at extreme velocities. The aircraft stands as a futuristic shield, capable of defending borders with speed rather than numbers. Sleek, sharp and purpose-built, the MiG-41's aerodynamic frame supports hypersonic flight. The airframe is believed to use new-age composite materials, enabling structural strength while maintaining light weight. Its long, thin fuselage and extended air intakes are designed to handle massive airflow at high Mach levels, while a redesigned cockpit interface integrates holographic and AI-assisted controls. This is a machine engineered not just to fly, but to outpace, outmaneuver and outthink threats miles away. Speed is where the MiG-41 becomes almost mythical. Speculation suggests that its engines could push it beyond Mach 4 or even higher, allowing it to intercept enemy aircraft, missiles and hypersonic targets before they breach secure airspace. At such velocity, the world beneath blurs and the sky becomes a tactical advantage. Its propulsion system may incorporate next-generation ramjet or scramjet technology, giving it the power to travel where few machines can survive. The MiG-41 is expected to carry a deadly mix of beyond visual range air-to-air missiles, anti-satellite weapons, and possibly laser-based defensive systems. With a radar and detection suite designed for early threat recognition, it could launch attacks long before being spotted. Stealth coatings and infrared suppression keep it ghost-like in the sky, while internal weapon bays reduce drag and radar exposure. This is speed, stealth, and firepower blended into one powerful flight system. If the MiG-41 enters service as envisioned, it could reshape aerial defense strategies for decades. Hypersonic interception, anti-satellite capability, autonomous targeting, and next-gen AI flight systems may place it among the most advanced jets ever developed. It stands not only as an upgrade, but as a philosophy: control the skies through speed and silence. The 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 marks a bold leap forward in aviation technology. From stealth architecture to rumored Mach 4+ speeds, it pushes the boundaries of what a fighter jet can be. Whether it becomes the next dominant force or remains a symbol of futuristic engineering, one thing is certain: the MiG-41 has already captured global imagination. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, this is Bike Shift, bringing you closer to the machines that define tomorrow. Subscribe for more future tech explorations.